Meal in Scotland, so we've decided to go with something very typical. We are going to be eating the national dish, which is haggis. So let's go into Whiski Rooms. So today's meal is all about haggis, and we are starting with haggis spring rolls. So let's see what those are like.
We've had a lot of spring rolls lately in Thailand, Vietnam, different places in Southeast Asia. Never haggis. And it's also our first time trying haggis.
Oh, hot.
Is it hot?
I'm pleasantly surprised. Oh yeah. Haggis is good, people. Yeah.
Those are hot.
Wow, so many flavors. Delicious.
I think I found myself my new favorite spring roll.
Haggis spring rolls. So for those of you who aren't familiar with haggis, it's a savory pudding made from sheep's pluck, and that means the sheep's heart, liver, and lungs. And if that doesn't sound appetizing enough, it's wrapped in the sheep's stomach, and it also includes spices and some oats and onions. So that's what we're going to be trying.
It's time to cover this bad boy in some gravy.
Oh my, look at that.
So haggis is served with Neeps and Tatties, which is basically turnips and potatoes. First bite. So we've got lots of haggis here. Neeps and the Tatties. Lots of gravy.
The verdict?
That's awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah. That is not an acquired taste. I love it. Very first bite. You like it as much as I do?
It's a really nice, rich winter dish. Like, normally I don't like organs. I've had liver before and it has a very strong flavor, but somehow when it's all mixed together and they add the spices and the gravy, it's perfect. I like it. I like haggis.
And it's a cold day today, so I'm trying something else very Scottish here, a nice warm drink. It's called a Hot Toddy. It's got hot water, whiskey, lemon, and honey. Ooh. That sounds good to me.
Take a sip.
Yeah, goes down nice.
Yeah, I want to try it too. Okay. First sip of the Hot Toddy. I'm not sure I've ever even tried whiskey, so let's see how it is in a hot drink. It's nice, it really warms you up, but it's not as strong and overpowering as I thought it would be. It's nice. It's also very aromatic because they put some cloves in the lemon.
I think
it's like Christmas.
so far you're liking Scottish food.